Hello everyone, my name is Young-Jun. My English name is Jun, so if you just meet the flowers, just call me Jun. I'm in charge of the automotive business unit in Nextchip. I'm happy to deliver the presentation here, but I have to say this one, I'm really nervous. I'm a typical shy person, but I do my best. So the topic is image signal processing optimization for object detections. Okay, you don't know Nextchip well. We are not a very famous company, so I'll give you the brief introduction about the Nextchip first. So Nextchip is a feminist company who are making and then selling the image signal processor and the sensing signal processor for the automotive markets. It's been a long time. We are focusing on the vision markets. We are developing the, for example, simply, there are two types of the cameras in the automotive market. We call it viewing cameras and then the sensing cameras. We are making the both processor for these camera systems. Based on our experience, it's 27 experience in the vision market. We are delivering the ISP cores in the markets. So I would like to say this one, we have capabilities to tune the images for any OEMs and then the tier ones, tier twos as well. So we are supporting almost all the image sensors companies in automotive market. For example, Sony, Samsung, OmniVision, OnSemi, and STMicros. We are making the ASIC chipsets for the markets or ASSP chipsets. So we are using, as you can see, the automotive process from 14th to the 19.5. It's a long time ago process. And we are select based on our applications foundries. Like we are working with in Samsung, Global Foundries, USJCs, and even TSMCs. We are the player in this market, so we have to give the reliability to the markets to get this type of certification. So IS 26262, we have ACLD capable organizations, and the cybersecurity is undergoing CSMS, and the CMML level 3 for the organizations, and the ASPICE CL3 levels, and then all the products has the ACQ 100 grade seconds. So the topic is image signal processing optimization for object detections. So first chapter is going human vision versus machine vision. We asked the same question to ChatGPT, and it gave this image as an answer. We don't expect that one. I don't feel this is the right answer, but still the human vision and the machine vision in the automotive market is totally different.